So today I just got I think it's called Best Arc. It's a plasma cutter that I bought yesterday and it came overnight. Never used it before, but I'm gonna try to learn how. It's kind of a hobby of mine, you know, when I'm home with my son, doing things here and there. Yesterday I was bracing up my utility trailer by adding additional brace to the trailer's hitch, neck, whatever, I don't know what it's called. But it took me almost half a day just to try to cut the angle metal to brace up the front of the trailer. So I thought, well, you know, since I can do a lot of cutting of metal, why not just get a plasma cutter and try to learn how to use it. So anyway, today just kind of, you know, my, I guess, open box. I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. And if you follow me, you know, you'll see, I guess, hopefully as I learn and improve my skill set. So again, this channel is just, it's kind of a blog, a life of a Thai family living in the United States. You know, things that we do at home and together as a family and so forth. So if you're interested, obviously subscribe, and if you like, you know, then please, you know, give us a like, and we really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bye.